For our last example together, we're going to look at problem 2b. That tells us that we have an unknown number of pounds that's in the customary system, but we know that the measurement in the metric system of this object is 16 and a half or 16.5 kilograms. So we want to know how many pounds that is. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my proportion. I know I'm comparing pounds, which are abbreviated LB, to kilograms, which is abbreviated kg. So I can go ahead and put my labels on both parts of my proportion. And then I'm going to look for a fact about pounds and kilograms. So I'm going to slide back up here to this table. And right here, I see a fact about pounds and kilograms. It says that 1 kilogram is the same thing as 2.205 pounds. So 1 kilogram, that's going to go there, is the same thing as 2.205 pounds. In my problem, I have a known measurement of 16.5 kilograms. So that's going to go down here with a kilogram label. So this time my unknown is on the top. As I look at that, I can do this one using mental math again because I know both of my numbers in the denominator, a 1 turns into a 16.5. And I know that to turn a 1 into a 16.5, I can simply multiply by 16.5, which means that's what I'm going to do to the top number. Now, if I didn't know that, I could have always used the cross products method. That works every single time, but a lot of times the mental math is a little bit faster. So now I know I need to do the 2.205 times the 16.5. And again, I'm going to estimate or round my answer just a little bit because it turns out to have quite a few digits behind the decimal point. So I'm going to round that again to the nearest tenth, and again use my little squiggly equal sign so everybody knows it's not an exact answer. It is rounded a little bit. And when I round that to the nearest tenth, I get right about 36 and 4/10 or 36.4. And the label on my unknown was pounds. So the 16.5 kilograms turns out to be almost exactly the same thing as 36.4 pounds. Now, I would like you to try examples C and D on your own. Notice the hint that I gave you for example D, because there is nothing up here on the table that talks about quarts and milliliters. So you will need to turn quarts into liters first, and then turn that number of liters into milliliters. You might need to go back and look at the chart that was on the first page of the notes to do the second part of example D. Good luck.